Hello everybody, hope you are fine. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In my today's video, I'll be talking about the keyboard settings of your device Vivo Y02s. So if you want to know about the keyboard settings of your device, you have to follow a few steps which I'll be sharing with you in my today's video. But before that, hit the red subscribe button and the bell icon so you won't miss any of my updates. Now watch this complete video and you will learn all about the keyboard settings of your device Vivo Y02s.